Access Bank Plc held its 33rd annual general meeting, which was an opportunity for the board to engage shareholders on the 2021 financial year performance. It all began with external auditors and audit committee's reports that showed the bank's financial records was in alignment with the Company and the Allied Matters Act provisions and the International Financial Reporting Standard.
The Company and Allied Matters Act and the Bank and Other Financial Institutions Act require that in carrying out our audit, we consider and report to you on the following matters. We confirm that we have obtained all the information and explanations which, to the best of our knowledge and belief, were necessary for the purposes of our audit. The bank has kept proper books of accounts so far as appears from my examination of those books, and returns adequate for our audit have been received from branches not visited by us. The bank statement of financial position and statement of comprehensive income are in accordance with the books of account and returns. The information required by the Central Bank of Nigeria on insider-related credits is disclosed in the notes to the consolidated and separate financial statements. And as disclosed in the notes, the bank has paid penalties in respect of certain contraventions of certain sections of the Bank and Other Financial Institutions Act and relevant circulars of the Central Bank of Nigeria during the year, signed by Chidi Ojechi, 17th of March, 2022.
In accordance with the provision of Section 404, subsection 7 of the Company and Allied Matters Act of Nigeria, the members of the Audit Committee of Access Bank Plc hereby report on the financial statement of the year ended 31st December 2021 as follows. We have exercised our statutory function under Section 404, subsection 7 of the Company and Allied Matters Act of Nigeria and acknowledge the cooperation of management and staff in the conduct of this responsibility. We are of the opinion that the accounting and reporting policies of the bank and group are in agreement with legal requirements and agreed ethical practices, and that the scope and planning of both the external and internal audits for the year ended 31st December 2021 were satisfactory and enforced the bank internal control system. We are satisfied with the bank that the bank has complied with the provision of CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria Circular BSD/1/2004, dated 18 September 2004, on disclosure of insider-related credits in the financial statement of the bank. We hereby confirm an aggregate amount of 268,207,206 naira as at December 2020. We have deliberated on the findings of the external auditors and have confirmed necessary cooperation were received from management in the course of the audit. We are satisfied with management's responses thereon and with the effectiveness of the bank system of accounting and internal control.
So I now lay before you the audited accounts sent to the shareholders as required by Section 388, subsection 1 of the Companies and Allied Matters Act.
Highlights of the events were the resolutions by the shareholders on the reappointment of directors and approval of the 70k dividend payment, which takes the total full-year dividend payment to 1 naira.
I hereby move that a final dividend of 70 kobo per ordinary share of 50 kobo each of the sanctioned, and that the directors be and are hereby authorized to pay same from the profit during the financial year ended December 31st, 2021 to members of the register of the company at the close of business on March 25th, 2022, subject to the deduction of appropriate withholding tax. Please, I invite someone to kindly second the motion.
Good afternoon, Chairman. Tony Oluwatu is my name. I represent Access Holdings PLC. I second the motion.
Thank you very much, Tony. Please, will those in favor of the resolution indicate by show of hands, please? Thank you. If there's anyone against the resolution, please display by show of hands or by proxy. There's none. So the registrar kindly, please
Thank you,
Thank you.
Madam Chairman. We ask that you remain patient while the results are being displayed. The results are hereby displayed, and we have 5 shareholders who have all voted in favor of the resolution, holding 35 billion shares, 545,225,622 shares, and all representing 100%. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The resolution is carried. Thank you.
Mr. Herbert Wigwe, Group Managing Director, and Dr. Mrs. Ajoritsedere Awosika speak further on the 2021 financial year performance and what shareholders should expect in 2022 and beyond.
This is the end of our financial year, which ended obviously December 2021. And so we have our accounts approved and we have to share it with our shareholders. And we've come to the end of that process. Well, there was a declaration of dividend, taking it to ₦1 from 30 kobo, which we paid half year, 70 kobo at full year. And so, I mean, shareholders will be happy that they continue to get rewards even at this difficult time.
What should they look for? Greater profits? You can see we just moved now, total to about ₦1. So now you should be expecting more because we are structuring into a system that works better, that will do better, and is customer-centric.
By the next annual general meeting, Access Bank will emerge a full-fledged holding company, which means a significant shift into the diversified financial services group. Shareholders expect that this new phase will mark consistency in value creation and steady payment of dividends.